Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Silvergate closes exchange network, releases $9.9 million to block fee. Silvergate, the cryptocurrency-focused bank, has shut down its SEN leverage exchange network and released $9.9 million to exchange block fee, which had been held as collateral. Silvergate explained that SEN leverage, which allowed customers to exchange USD and Bitcoin, was shuttered due to a lack of demand for its services. Despite the closure, Silvergate has announced plans to focus on developing SEN, its real-time digital payments network, and to offer lending and margin financing services to its clients. The news follows a series of setbacks for block fee, which has been the subject of an investigation by regulators in the state of New Jersey and has been sued by the SEC for allegedly offering unregistered securities. Market capitalization of BINANCE'S BUSD stablecoin falls. The market capitalization of BUSD, the stablecoin issued by Binance, has fallen in recent weeks. Since its all-time high of $13.54 billion in February, BUSD's market capitalization has dropped to $8.32 billion, according to CoinGecko data. The drop has been attributed to decreased trading volume on the Binance platform, as well as increased competition from other stablecoins like USDT and USDC. However, despite the drop, BUSD remains the third largest stablecoin in the market, after USDT and USDC. MakerDAO and its stablecoin DAI may follow the fate of USD and Luna due to regulatory pressure in the United States. MakerDAO, the platform behind the DAI stablecoin, could face similar problems to those of USD and Luna, which experienced a significant drop in value. The three cryptocurrencies are backed by US dollars and have been under scrutiny by regulators in the United States. As regulatory pressure increases, there are fears that demand for dollar-backed stablecoins may decrease, which could lead to a drop in the value of DAI. Experts warn that growing regulation could have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market in the near future. The Fed anticipates a possible rate hike greater than expected. As we advanced on Monday, you had to be very attentive to the news, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday with the intervention of Jerome Powell, chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve. Through its chairman, the U.S. Federal Reserve announced a possible interest rate hike. The measure was taken in response to inflation and accelerated economic growth. It is expected that the interest rate will increase in the near future. The U.S. financial market reacted with a slight drop on Tuesday, continuing on Wednesday. The Fed indicated that it could raise the interest rate more than initially expected. It should be noted that inflation has been a significant problem in the U.S. in recent months. This measure by the Fed aims to curb rising prices and stabilize the economy. Financial market experts are evaluating the implications of the Fed's decision. And as for Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrencies, it is not immune. It has continued its correlation with traditional markets. In that sense, Bitcoin traders are evaluating how they could be affected by the interest rate hike. Some experts believe that Bitcoin could be a safe investment in times of inflation. What are artificial intelligence AI cryptocoins and how do they work? Cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence AI are two rapidly growing technologies today. In recent years, a new category of cryptocurrencies called AI cryptocoins or AI-based cryptocurrencies has been created. AI cryptocoins use machine learning technology to improve the functionality and efficiency of transactions. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that rely on simple algorithms, AI cryptocoins use complex algorithms that can learn and improve over time. AI technology is used to enhance the security, privacy, and speed of cryptocurrency transactions. Additionally, AI can also be used to predict market movements and offer investment advice to users. Popular AI cryptocoins include SingularityNet, Fetch, and Cortex. These cryptocurrencies have been designed to leverage the capabilities of AI and enhance user experience. For example, SingularityNet uses AI technology to create a decentralized network of artificial intelligence. This network allows users to share and use AI technology to improve the functionality of their own applications. Fetch AI uses AI technology to improve the efficiency of transactions on its platform. The company has created a machine learning system that can predict user behavior and offer faster and more secure transactions. On the other hand, Cortex uses AI technology to enhance the privacy and security of cryptocurrency transactions. The company has created a machine learning system that can detect and prevent security attacks on its platform. Although AI crypto coins are relatively new in the market, it is expected that their popularity will continue to grow in the coming years. As AI technology becomes more sophisticated, AI crypto coins are likely to become more efficient and effective in the world of cryptocurrencies. PancakeSwap launches version 3 on Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange DEX on the Binance Smart Chain, has launched its version 3. The new version aims to improve the speed and efficiency of the platform. It also includes new features such as an enhanced user interface and a liquidity pooling system. PancakeSwap is one of the most popular DEXs and has seen a significant increase in trading volume in recent months. The platform has also launched its native token, Cake, which has seen a price increase of over 1,000% since January. PancakeSwap is competing with other leading DEXs such as Uniswap and SushiSwap in the decentralized exchange space. The platform has gained popularity due to lower transaction fees and compatibility with the Binance Smart Chain. The release of PancakeSwap's version 3 is expected to further boost its growth and attract more users to the platform. The demand for blockchain and cryptocurrency developers is increasing. Companies are looking to hire blockchain technology experts to develop new applications. Cryptocurrencies also need developers to improve the security and functionality of their platforms. Salaries for blockchain and cryptocurrency developers are high compared to other technology jobs. Additionally, there is a talent shortage in the field, which increases demand. The demand for blockchain and cryptocurrency developers is expected to continue increasing in the near future. Bitcoin options valued at $565 million expire this week. This week, Bitcoin options worth $565 million are expected to expire, which could affect the recovery of the cryptocurrency market. If investors decide not to renew these options, they could sell large amounts of Bitcoin in the market, increasing selling pressure and potentially leading to a price correction. Additionally, some analysts believe this event could limit Bitcoin's ability to surpass the $25,000 resistance level and trigger a deeper correction in the market. However, other experts argue that the impact of options on Bitcoin's price is not as significant and that the cryptocurrency will remain bullish in the long term. Bitcoin NFT auction raises $16.5 million in 24 hours. The Bitcoin NFT auction, organized by the digital art platform SuperR, raised $16.5 million in just 24 hours. The auction featured unique digital art pieces that sold for large sums of money, including one piece that reached $6 million. The successful sale demonstrates the growing interest in NFTs, which have become a popular way to collect art and digital assets. Additionally, Time magazine announced that it will launch its own NFT series, showing that major companies are adopting the technology. Despite the excitement, some experts have warned of a bubble in the NFT market, which could lead to a price correction in the future. CFTC chairman reaffirms that stablecoins and Ether will be considered commodities. Heath Tarbert, the chairman of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC), reaffirmed that stablecoins and Ether will be considered commodities in the country. This statement was made in response to a question about whether stablecoins could be regulated as securities. Tarbert explained that stablecoins that are used as a form of settlement or backing could be considered a commodity and subject to CFTC regulations. Furthermore, he reiterated that Ethereum, and therefore Ether, would also be considered a commodity in the futures market. This news is important as it provides greater regulatory clarity in the cryptocurrency market. Silvergate Bank to voluntarily liquidate. Silvergate Bank, a major U.S. cryptocurrency bank, will voluntarily liquidate. Silvergate Capital Corporation made the decision to close the bank. The lack of deposit growth was cited as one of the reasons behind the liquidation. Bank customers will continue to have access to their accounts and services during the liquidation process. Silvergate has been an important provider of banking services to cryptocurrency companies in the U.S. The bank's liquidation has led to a decline in Silvergate Capital's stock on the New York Stock Exchange. The company will now focus on its cryptocurrency lending division. Traders lose $380 million in a new Bitcoin drop. The fall in Bitcoin's price has resulted in a $380 million loss for traders, according to reports. Investors had bet on a price increase, but the cryptocurrency fell over 10% in one day. The market drop also affected other cryptocurrencies. Volatility is attributed to a number of factors, including fear of rising interest rates. Analysts expect prices to recover in the future, but some investors have chosen to sell their holdings. Despite the drop, some analysts believe that the cryptocurrency will remain a solid long-term investment. Investors are closely monitoring the market for signs of a new drop. Ethereum approaches its latest milestone on the way to Shanghai. The next upgrade, called Berlin, is scheduled for April. Developers hope that Berlin will improve network efficiency and reduce gas fees. The upgrade will also help prepare the network for the next upgrade, called London. Ethereum has experienced significant growth in recent months, leading to an increase in the price of its token. Experts believe that Upgrade 2.0 could help make the cryptocurrency more scalable and efficient. The network has been increasingly used for the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts. The next upgrade could help further improve network functionality. Huobi drops 93% as Justin Sun sends 100 million USDC to crypto market. Huobi, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, experienced a 93% drop in its native token HT. Rumors of a money laundering investigation by Chinese authorities and the CEO's departure may have contributed to the drop. Meanwhile, Tron founder Justin Sun transferred 100 million USDC to Binance during the market drop. Experts believe Sun may be taking advantage of the market drop to acquire more cryptocurrencies. The transfer of 100 million USDC is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history. Market volatility continues, and investors are watching closely for buying opportunities. The cryptocurrency market remains highly speculative, and prices can change quickly. California financial regulator shuts down Silicon Valley Bank. Silicon Valley Bank, one of the main banks for startups and technology companies in California, has been shut down by the state's financial regulator. The California Department of Business cited an unsafe and unsound condition of the bank as the reason for its closure. The regulator's decision has affected dozens of technology companies and startups that had deposits in the bank. The affected companies have been instructed to withdraw their deposits and look for new banks to conduct their financial transactions. Silicon Valley Bank has been a major financial player in California's technology community for many years. The bank's closure has raised concerns among investors and entrepreneurs, who fear that the lack of suitable banking options could hinder the growth of technology companies in the region. The California financial regulator has assured that it is working to ensure that the bank's customers' deposits are returned safely and quickly. This closure demonstrates the need for technology companies and startups to have contingency plans to address unexpected situations that could affect their financial stability. Circle may have exposure of over $9 billion in Silvergate and Silicon Valley Bank. Throughout the night and early morning, with confirmations from Circle, a cryptocurrency payment processor and issuer of USDC, regarding its exposure of more than $9 billion in U.S. banks. The company has revealed that it has a total of $25.8 billion in deposits in U.S. banks. However, only a portion of these deposits are insured by the FDIC, meaning Circle may be at risk of losing a significant amount of money if one of these banks fails. Circle's exposure to U.S. banks has concerned some investors and analysts, who fear a possible bank failure could have a ripple effect on the company. Circle has defended its banking practices, stating that it uses a series of security mechanisms to protect its deposits. The company has also indicated that it has a contingency plan in case one of the banks it has deposits with experiences a failure. Despite this, some observers have expressed concern about Circle's exposure to banks, especially given the size of its deposits. Circle's situation highlights the risks faced by cryptocurrency companies when relying on traditional banks for their deposits and transactions. Major stablecoins lose parity with the dollar. Over the past few years, stablecoins have gained great popularity among cryptocurrency investors and traders. Among the most popular stablecoins are USDT, BUSD, USDC, and DAI. However, recently, these cryptocurrencies have suffered a significant drop in value, leading many to wonder if these coins are really as stable as supposed. As we reported in the previous news, the closure of Silicon Valley Bank has been the final trigger for stablecoins to lose their parity with the dollar. This has caused panic, and some stablecoins have lost 10% of their value due to its exposure to Silicon Valley Bank. There have long been doubts about the true stability of these coins. Stablecoins are supposed to be backed by real assets, such as US dollars, although many investors have wondered if this backing is truly sufficient. Additionally, there have been concerns about the lack of transparency in the backing of these coins, which has led some to question their validity as a stable alternative to volatile cryptocurrencies.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking